Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Kayla Patrice. If you don't know, well, now you know. And if you're returning, then hey, thanks for coming back to my channel. So today I have this super simple, easy, contoured eye with some purple on the lid and in the waterline with a nice, pretty nude lip. So if y'all want to see how I got this super simple, cute look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with my P. Louise Rumor Base Shade 5. And I am going to use my MAC 252 to carve out the brow and to also apply the product. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe M573 brush just to blend out the edges. Right, so I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 7 and my Japanese blending brush, and the number is 723. I think this came in a set, but I'm not for sure, so don't quote me. I'm just gonna dot some of this concealer. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put this in the crease. So I'm kind of like contouring my crease, so I'm gonna go along that bone. Okay, so since this is a cream product, you can really build up that color without like worrying about if you're going to be able to blend it out. You'll be able to blend it out because it's cream. You're welcome. Okay, so I'm going to wait to kind of blend out that line, but this is pretty good. So I'm going in with P. Louise Latte eyeshadow on a Morphe M514 brush. I think this is like my new favorite brown. It looks like this if you haven't seen. And I'm going to put this in the crease as well. And then I'm going to take another Morphe M514 brush just to blend out the edges. So taking my Morphe M573 brush, I'm going to blend right under the brow just to give it like that little dip. Can y'all see it? How it's like, that's the look we want to go with. So, and I'm going to take the leftover on the Morphe M514 brush with Latte and just kind of connect it. So now I'm going in with my P. Louise base in Vivid Violet, and I'm going to put that all over the lid using a MAC 217 brush. Right, and then on the back of my hand, I'm just going to rub the excess product off. And I'm going to blend this base right into that contour shade that we laid down, because I don't want it to be a harsh line. So I'm just going to blend it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and take two pigments from Peaches and Cream, which is Fangulous and Pixie. And I'm going to use the same MAC 217 brush to apply it. So I'm going to start with Fangulous first because I'm going to apply that on the outer part of my eye. And then going in with Pixie in the inner part of the eye. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply some Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And this lash from AliExpress, I'm not sure what lash this is, but I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I'm going to do my complexion, and I'll be back to finish off the look with y'all. Alright y'all, so I have finished my complexion. So for highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and use my e.l.f. Fluffy blending brush and my Becca Opal highlighter. And then for lip, I'm going to go ahead and use my Tarteist Lip Paint in Low Key and my Peaches and Cream liner in Hotline. And for my waterline, I'm going to use Vivid Violet as well. Right, and then I'm going to go in with the pencil brush and use the opal again for my inner corner. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, apply my lower lash mascara, and I'll be back for the reveal. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. So I hope you all enjoyed this super simple contoured purple eye, and if y'all did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see y'all in my next video.